Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Justworks insurance benefits for small businesses, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Justworks insurance benefits for your small business, begin by signing in to your Justworks account. If you do not have an account, create one by visiting the Justworks website and following the prompts for new users. Once logged in, navigate to the benefits section on your dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of the insurance options available for your business. Select the specific insurance benefits you wish to activate, such as health, dental, or vision insurance. Click on the Activate button next to each benefit you want to enable. Now, you will be prompted to provide employee details. Enter the necessary information for each employee who will be enrolled in the selected benefits. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays in processing. After entering the employee details, review the summary of the selected benefits. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button to finalize the activation process. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating that your insurance benefits have been successfully activated. If you need assistance, access the Justworks support resources for guidance. Feel free to reach out to Justworks customer service for any questions or concerns you may have. Regularly check your account to manage and update your benefits as necessary. This will ensure your employees are always covered under the right plans. Following these steps will help you effectively activate Justworks insurance benefits for your small business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.